The most important part of refinishing wheels isn't spraying the clear, it's the prep. Any brake dust, grease, or contamination left behind will ruin the adhesion. So we're going to show you guys step by step how we do it and the products we use. First product we're going to be starting off with is Eastwood PRE Painting Prep.
Spraying it down with PRE. If you look at that, that's what we're aiming for. Once we lay down the clear, it should look relatively similar to that. We just Scotch-Brited everything after we did our little repairs. Just did the purple Scotch-Brite, which is the finest, which is pre-prep ready. So we just got it scotched up and cleaned before we scotch, and then now after we Scotch-Brited, obviously we're cleaning again.
Eastwood's pre-painting prep is great because this removes the waxes, oils, silicone, brake dust residue, basically anything that could cause fish eyes or peeling later. Always, guys, you want to make sure that you clean, scuff, clean, which is basically you're going to clean it down with solvent before you start your sanding abrasion, and then you're also going to want to be cleaning it after you've sanded. This final wipe down is critical. Don't touch the surface with your bare hands afterwards because oil from your skin can affect adhesion. And after this, you're going to want to wipe it down with a tack cloth. Tack cloths will be linked on screen. A very crucial final step. Now for the magic. This is the 2K Diamond Clear. Unlike normal spray paint, this is a true 2-component catalyzed clear coat with hardener built into the can. Once activated, the hardener mixes with the clear coat, giving you a professional level finish that is dramatically more durable than standard aerosol clears. Links to the Diamond Clear will be on screen, and more videos regarding this clear coat will be at the end of this video. This stuff resists chemicals, UV damage, brake dust, and peeling way better than regular clear coat. First, you're going to want to start with a light tack coat. Don't try to make it glossy on the first pass, though I will advise that this stuff lays down pretty wet and you do have to be careful of runs. Keep the can about 6 to 8 inches away and overlap each pass about 50%. After 10 to 15 minutes, apply another second coat to build gloss protection. Now, that's assuming a hot temperature and a good day. If it's colder, you are going to have to wait longer. 30 minutes is always a good ballpark. And you'll see the wheel completely transform as the clear lays down. So 2 to 3 coats are recommended. And after 2 to 3 coats, you want to let it harden for, I believe, 48 hours total. And that's it. Professional looking refinished wheels using a catalyzed 2K clear coat from a spray can. All the products used in this video will be linked. Please make sure to go get yourself some of these amazing product, guys. The clear coat, the Eastwood PRE Painting Prep, and the Scotch-Brite pads. We love using Scotch-Brite pads before paint. The gray, the red, and then the purple is the final one because it is meant for that fine sand right before you lay down your beautiful coat of paint. And guys, if this helped you out, please hit subscribe. We've got more professional DIY refinishing videos, car restorations, bike life, and more. Let us know which part you found most entertaining inside of the comments below, and let us know if there's anything else you want us to try. Until next time, guys, this is Rad Performance signing off.
Y'all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?